Welcome back to Booked guys. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to make bread rolls. I hope you guys will like it, enjoy it and definitely try it at your home. So let's start. Here I have heated up some oil in which I am going to add 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds and 2 green chilies that I have chopped earlier. Here goes green chilies and these both have spluttered, so now I am going to add 1 onion. I have chopped this as well. Give it a good mix. Now as you see the onions are soft, so now I am adding salt. It can be as per your taste, and I am adding some masalas as well, as it is garam masala and red chili powder. These both were 1 tablespoon. I am going to give it a good mix again. Let it cook for 30 seconds. And now I am going to add potatoes. These are mashed potatoes. Friends, you can grate it as well. Give it a good mix again. Let it bind with all the masalas. As you see, the potatoes are quite mixed now, so I am going to add 1 cup of green peas. Here goes green peas and give it a good mix again. As you see, our filling is almost ready. So now I am going to add green coriander. Now friends, our filling is ready. Let's go to the bread. Here I am taking white bread. I have removed all the edges of the bread as you see. Now I am going to dip this in the water. Friends, make sure you not soak it in the water. Just dip it and take it out. As you see, I am doing it. And now I am going to press it and remove the excess water inside it. As you see, I am doing it gently. Friends, do it gently or our bread will break up. Now our bread is ready for the rolls. Now I am going to take some filling and I am going to give it a good shape so that our bread rolls take the same shape. Here it goes, as you see. Now I am going to put it in the bread. Here it goes. Now I am going to seal the sides of the bread with this. I am taking 1 corner of the bread and putting it on the potato filling, as you see. We are going to do it with all the corners. Now as you see, my last corner is done, and now I am going to seal all the edges. Now just press it and roll it up so that every corner, every open corner gets closed. Friends, now this is ready to fry. Here I have taken some oil for frying. It has heated up quite well. So now I am going to add 1 by 1 all the rolls that I made. Friends, as you see, all the bread rolls are in the oil, and now I am going to flip it and cook it from all the sides. As you see, friends, flip it gently because our bread is really delicate. So friends, now our favorite moment is arrived, and now I am taking it out 1 by 1. I am putting it on tissue paper, friends, because I want the excess oil to be removed. Our bread rolls are ready to serve. Thank you for watching, guys.